Hello people, it's Stanley here again and I'm back on my YouTube channel. It's been a couple of months and I've not been on my YouTube channel. And as you all know, my YouTube channel was kind of a how-to channel and a tutorial platform where I actually do the tutorials but you don't see my face. But then I was actually gearing up, gathering some gears for my YouTube channel for the videos so that you can see me and also we can share a lot of things. So it's a Bilneur Academy. I'm still on that. We are going to talk more on a lot of content, so just prepare for a lot of stuff, a lot of goodies. I'm going to teach about some tech stuff and some life stuff, things that are going to motivate you, things that are going to actually a lot of stuff. So I'm glad to be back. I'm glad to be back. And then there have been some challenges back and forth with my goose, my gears being stolen, some of my tools being stolen and all that. So I'm glad to be back, and then I hope you like the contents that will be shared soon. So stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit on the notification bell to be notified any time I upload any video on my channel. So see you all